Back to the channel. I'm Dalton.
I'm Ryan.
And you're watching
Two Wild and Crafty Kids.
Today we'll be doing Squishy Soap.
Alright guys, I'm going to do Tropical Paradise.
I'm doing Glitter Galaxy. Let's get started. So we got instructions.
Got some soap. We got our little thingy.
I got my mold.
My mold.
Another sticker.
Instructions.
And some rice flour.
I got some rice flour too.
Okay.
Okay guys, I'm going to quickly read you guys the instructions. Here they are. Wow, that was a lot of directions.
So we're going to go get some bowls and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, we got our bowls and we're going to start putting all the ingredients together until it becomes crumbly.
Alright. That was a lot of flour. Did I just dump all the soap in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh,
I'm going to save some of it. It smells really good.
you just fart?
It smells like
Dawn soap.
like a tropical drink or something. It smells really good.
Now mixing it is very, very messy.
Okay, got most of it out. Put the cap back on. Where'd it go?
And I'm stirring it around and around, and nothing's happening.
Here's mine so far, guys. It's crumbling, kind of, I would say.
There's the rest of it.
Okay guys, it's ready to mold, so let's start molding. And we're going to keep on kneading it until it feels like pizza dough.
How do you know what pizza dough feels like?
Feels like Play-Doh.
Oh.
Mine's a little dry, so I'll add some water, a little.
Whoa.
It's definitely squishy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, only one of us followed the instructions. I wonder who that could have been. But Dalton's going to keep on working on his, because, yeah. And I got some dough, so let's mold. Go push it down. It's not smooth enough, so we're gonna get some water and just put it on top to smooth it out. I'm gonna take our mold. I'm just gonna and there we go. And then probably with the extra stuff, you could probably make like a second one maybe, but or you could just make your own shape. So yeah, here's my little flamingo. Alright guys, here's my result, and my mom's gonna go steam it, and we'll get to see if Dalton makes his workout. And we'll see you when mine's done steaming. Alright guys, here's my final creation, and in the steamer they all melted together, but after they were done cooling, I put the little flamingo on there, and he turned out pretty good.
And I haven't seen mine yet, but I'll tell you how they turned out in the comment section below. So Mariah, what are your final thoughts on this kit?
Well, it was fun in the beginning, and the pros would be that it smells really good, and it does wash your hands. And the cons would be that it gives you this nice little melted patty, so that's nice. And on the box, it shows a bar of soap, so I'd say that the pictures on the box are deceiving. So I'd give it a 2 out of 10. What about you?
So I thought it was really fun in the beginning. But so my pros are it smells really good and it washes your hands really good and it smells good after. But my cons are the instructions aren't the easiest to follow and it turned it out like that. Alright guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Two
Wild and Crafty Kids. Bye!
Back to the channel. I'm Dalton.
I'm Ran.
And okay.
We'll see. Oh no.